Did you know that you can go from zero all the way up to thousands of dollars online as a complete beginner with no skills or experience, and for absolutely free, all thanks to this website? Yep, you heard that right. All you have to do is set this up once and then collect payments on autopilot from there, doing basically no work whatsoever. If you want to make some good money and passive income online, then you ought to keep watching. With that being said, if you're interested in making more money online and also in passive income as well, then I encourage all of you to check out that first link in the description. There, you will be able to learn how to start making money online as a complete beginner, how I started doing so myself actually, and with no previous skills whatsoever. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into this video. Today, I have an excellent strategy to show you guys, and it all revolves around this website here called Zazzle.com. This is indeed the site you have all seen in that intro, the website that will allow us to make money online on autopilot for free and with no skills. Now, what is Zazzle first and foremost? Zazzle is a print-on-demand site. So basically, on here you can come and purchase various products designed by everyday people like me and you, or you can work as someone designing the said products. So this can basically become your job. It's an extremely similar platform to Teespring, Redbubble, both of which most of you have probably heard about. Now, as all of you can guess, we are not here to spend any money, so we will indeed want to work on this website. And before you all think that this does require skills and all that, I urge you to keep watching. As you will soon see, using this website, you'll be able to make money online without being a professional designer whatsoever. And I will actually walk you through the entire process to show you that anyone can do this indeed. With that said, one of the main reasons you guys will want to work as designers on Zazzle, apart from the fact that, as I will show you, it requires both minimal effort and minimal skills, is first off this. You only need to design something that many people will purchase. Whether it's a t-shirt, a mug, or whatever, your work is to only design the actual product, and it's Zazzle who will take care of the rest. So basically, you don't have to worry about getting traffic to the product, printing the product, you don't have to worry about shipping, inventory, customer service. Your job is to just design a product, and that's it. This is what makes Zazzle such a powerful website to make money online. Because if you design something that a lot of people purchase, you will be making money online in purely passive income from there, basically doing nothing. And I will show you what you will want to focus on designing so you can maximize your results. Another big and important factor about Zazzle is its popularity. The more popular a website is, the more money you can potentially make, and Zazzle is most definitely popular. If you go over to similarweb.com, you will be able to find that Zazzle got 16 million visits in the past month. That's a lot of potential customers, and the numbers have actually risen, albeit only slightly, since the month of September. Long story short, guys, Zazzle is extremely popular, meaning that you will have a lot of potential customers. And thanks to the fact that the website, apart from designing the products, does all of the work for you, that makes Zazzle the perfect site to use if you want to make money online in passive income. So you can start designing anything on this website. What you need to do is click on Create here. This will now display this on the left-hand side, and what you now want to do is click on Learn about our templates and design tool. Doing so will take you straight over to this page, and on here you'll be able to read more about Zazzle's design tool. And since you guys can do that yourselves, I don't want to go over all this because that'll simply prolong this video. What you simply put need to do on this page so you can start designing products is you want to click on Start Creating right here. That will now take you straight over to the editor, and this is how it will look. On the left-hand side, you'll be able to pick what product you will want to design. Whether it's a t-shirt for men, a t-shirt for women, you can design masks, ornaments, mugs, magnets, pillows. I mean, there is an infinite number of products for you to choose from. What I would highly recommend you guys do is start off with t-shirts and then move on from there. This is because t-shirts arguably get the most purchases, and once you design a few good t-shirts, you can then move on to some of the other products. Anyhow, once you pick a product you want to design on the right-hand side, you will now be presented with all of these options to customize your t-shirt or any other product for that matter to your liking. You can, of course, change the color, you can change what shirt you want, you can select the size, and so much more. In the center of the screen here is where you will actually put some photo that you either designed or found online on your shirt. And now is the time to discuss what you will want to design. What will you put on your soon-to-be t-shirt? What I would highly recommend is for you to design a t-shirt related to animals to begin with, and you can then move on to something else. The reason you want to do this is because the animal niche is insanely huge and popular. People, simply put, love animals. And so if a t-shirt, even if it's badly designed, has, for example, a cat photo on it, there's a huge chance that it might get a lot of purchases, meaning that, of course, you'd be able to make a lot of money. Now, here's what you want to do so you can actually design your t-shirt. The first thing you need to do is add something onto the actual shirt. To do so, just click on icons here, select what kind of icon you want. You guys will want to go for animals, dogs or cats, and the website will now display all of these icons that you can use. And they all look absolutely stunning. Let's say, for example, I want to use this one. When I click on it, it will be displayed here, and I will also be able to see how it will look on the actual t-shirt. And as you can see, even though this was literally done with a click of a button, this shirt already looks pretty decent. What you can do to make the shirt look more appealing is you can add some text above or below the actual icon you added to your shirt. In my case, I'll just write cat lover. This is for sure not mandatory, but adding text can be a nice way to make that design that much better. And with that done, this product is literally finished. And that took me, like 2 minutes? Obviously, you guys will want to invest a bit of time into this. What I would also recommend is that you try and find icons online on Google, since, as you can see on here, you can indeed add images from your PC that you can then add onto your t-shirt. An awesome addition indeed. And if some of you perhaps think that this is too simple of a design and all that, you can just go over to Google and you'll be able to see that t-shirts that are being designed by people on a daily basis don't look that much different from my own. Just goes to show you that no, you do not need to be a professional designer for this to work, just like I promised you way back in the beginning. Thanks to all of the features Zazzle offers, you can basically design a very nice-looking product in 5 to 10 minutes tops, even if you're not a professional or good designer by any means. And once you design a product of your own choosing, you can just put it up for sale on Zazzle, and the website will promote it for you. What I would highly recommend you do as well is design multiple products not related to one another. So you can design some mug, for example, a t-shirt with a dog icon, a long sleeve shirt with a cat on it, and so on. This would mean your products will have a higher chance to be bought by someone, since you're not just focusing on people who love cats only, for example. Another way you can increase the chance of your product getting bought is by promoting it yourself, and there is no better place for that than YouTube. What you can do on YouTube is search for a video that is in the same niche as the t-shirt you designed. So if your t-shirt has an animal on it, you will want to search for animal videos. From there, what you will need to do is click on Filters here, and then select Creative Commons, and you will now be able to see all of these videos that you can download and actually upload then onto your channel with no copyright infringement. How awesome is that? What your ultimate goal here is to find a good video from some of these, download it to your PC using an online YouTube to MP4 converter like this one, upload it onto YouTube, and then leave a link to your Zazzle store in the description of your video. In this way, you'll be able to make that much more money from your products over on Zazzle, despite not recording a single thing and despite the fact that the video you posted wasn't even yours to begin with. Before we conclude this video though, I do want to mention that doing this is not mandatory. It's more of an optional step so you can maximize your results and get as many purchases as possible. Even without the use of YouTube, you'll still be able to make a lot of money in passive income nevertheless. For those of you interested in more of my strategies, be sure to check out the videos that will pop up on the screen any second now. If you like this video and you're enjoying my content, then smash the like button down below. Every single one is appreciated. And if you don't want to miss out on future videos that are already on the way, subscribe and turn on the notifications, and YouTube will notify you whenever I upload a new video. As always, thank you for watching, and see you soon in some of the upcoming videos.